How to repair or reset Microsoft Store or clear Windows Store cache in Windows 11 10s. 1. Repair or reset Microsoft Store via settings. Find the Microsoft Store in the apps list. 2. Clear Windows. Store cache with WSReset.exe. 3. Case study. Fix Windows cannot find MS Windows Store purge caches. Make sure you type the name correctly, and then try again. Error. Solution: run PowerShell execution policy unrestricted apps package disable development mode register $env system root /winstore /apps manifest.xml command in PowerShell as admin.